Hello, word listeners, and welcome back to another episode of your favorite English learning podcast. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Today's word is boost. It's a B2 level verb, and it means to increase or improve something. So, what does boost really mean? Well, it's all about giving something a lift, making it better, stronger, or more effective. Think of it as a helping hand, a little push in the right direction. In everyday language, we use boost to talk about improving anything from our confidence to our economy. Let's look at some synonyms. One synonym for boost is enhance. For example, regular exercise can enhance your overall health. Another synonym is improve. Like in the sentence, the company is working hard to improve its customer service. A third synonym is strengthen, such as, this new law will strengthen the protection of endangered species. And another one is increase, as in the new marketing campaign helped increase sales by 20%. One more, augment, like the software update will augment the system's capabilities. Now, let's consider antonyms. An antonym for boost is decrease. Here's an example. The new regulations may decrease profits. Another antonym is reduce. For instance, we need to reduce our carbon footprint. A third antonym is weaken, as in lack of sleep can weaken your immune system. Let's use another one, diminish. For example, the bad weather diminished our hopes for a successful picnic. And finally, impair, as in drinking alcohol can impair your judgment. Let's talk about how you can use boost in everyday life. You might say, I need a boost of energy this morning. I'm so tired, meaning you need something to make you feel more awake and active. Or, the good news gave her a real boost, meaning it made her feel happier and more confident. You could also say, this project could really boost my career, indicating it could improve your professional prospects. Common expressions include give someone a boost, which means to encourage or support them, or a boost in morale, referring to an increase in positive feelings. Here are some more usage examples in sentences and phrases. The government announced a plan to boost the economy. She drank a cup of coffee to boost her alertness. The company is investing in new technology to boost productivity. A good night's sleep can really boost your mood. Winning the competition gave her a huge boost in confidence. The new policy aims to boost tourism. He needed a boost of encouragement before the big presentation. The team received a morale boost after their victory. We need to boost our marketing efforts. The new software will boost the efficiency of our operations. Getting positive feedback is a great confidence boost. Let's boost sales this quarter with a targeted campaign. A strong cup of tea gave him the boost he needed to finish the project. That compliment really boosted her spirits. The extra funding will boost research into renewable energy sources. So, to summarize, boost means to increase or improve something. We've covered synonyms like enhance, improve, strengthen, increase, and augment. And we explored antonyms such as decrease, reduce, weaken, diminish, and impair. We also looked at how boost is used in everyday conversations and phrases. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Remember to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support really helps others find the show. And now it's your turn. Create your own sentence using the word boost and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of English.